Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a product manipulation in Photoshop, a photo editing program with this diamond necklace. So let's say if you want to make an advertisement for a jeweler or a jewelry shop. So all you have to do is to click on this. This is object selection tool, and then you click on the necklace. Once you're done, hit the Ctrl C to copy and then hit the Ctrl and the V keys to paste it. And then double click on it. And then click on OK, and then delete this. Hit delete. Then we're going to create, a cloth that will be placed above the diamond necklace. So all we have to do is to click here for a new layer, and then afterwards, you simply head over to the pen tool. Where is it? Hold on. Okay. Wait. Head over to the pen tool. And then afterwards, you create some curves. Click here, and then you simply, hold the left click button to create this curve. And then you simply do it again, just like this. And then you do it again. And then when you're done, close the curve, just like so. And then right click, and then head over to rasterize layer. And then double click on it again. Click on color overlay, and then let's say if we want to color it dark blue, just like this, and then click on OK, and then afterwards you create the shading for the cloth by using the brush tool. Decrease the size, and then click here for a new layer, and then you change the color into a lighter shade, for example this. And then paint this area. Just like this. And then paint this area as well. And then choose a lighter shade. For example, this one. And then paint it here. And then, click on this layer. And then hold the left click button. Head over to Magic Wand tool. And then but first let's blur it. So click on this one, and then head over to filter, blur, and then click on Gaussian blur, and then set the blur radius to, let's say, this, for example. And then we simply make it brighter by heading over to image adjustments, and then click on brightness and contrast, just like this. And then make it blurry again, I guess. So it looks like this. And then click on the Magic Wand tool, and then head over to this layer, and then select the outer part, and then hit delete, just like this. It's easy. So we've created the the cloth which will be placed on the necklace. And then simply select the layers by holding the Control key, and then right click, and then click on merge layers, and then hit Control J to duplicate it. Bring it down. Pull it downwards, and then put the layer under the cloth layer, and then afterwards make it brighter so that we can sort of create this edge kind of effect, just like this. And then click on OK. Afterwards, select these two by holding the Control key, and then right click, merge layers, that's to say, and then you're done. And then click here for a new layer, and then let's create the background or the base. So let's color it with a darker shade of a lighter shade of blue, just like this. And then use the paint bucket tool to color the base, just like this. And then place it just under the layer with the necklace, just like this. And then place the necklace somewhere here. And then we're going to create the shadows. Click on this one so that we can create a new layer, and then afterwards you paint it with a darker shade, just like this. And then use the brush tool. Paint it, and then decrease the hardness to 0%, just like this. And then and then decrease it a bit, and then place it just under the necklace layer, just like so. And then for the shadow for the necklace, click on this for new layer, and then afterwards you do the same thing. Just like this. Fancy. You can also make it blurry by heading over to filter and then blur, Gaussian blur, just like so. And you simply create some shadow for the necklace. Double click on it. Afterwards, head over to drop shadow, and then you increase the distance, and then afterwards you simply decrease the size, and then change the angle to this. Maybe increase the size just like so, and then change the spread to this, and then increase the distance again just like so, and then click on OK when you're done. Fancy. And then let's create the bokeh effect. Click on this one for a new layer, and then place it just under the cloth layer, and then afterwards you color it with a lighter shade. Alright, now increase the size of the brush, then create some bokeh effect just like this, and then you color it with a lighter shade just like this. And then go to filter, blur, and then lens blur. Now now from here increase the hardness so that we can make some more bokeh, just like this. And then you simply head over to filter and then go to lens blur again several times until we have the the bokeh look that we want, just like this. And then increase the eraser size just like this, and then erase some parts of the bokeh that you don't want to add just like this, so that there's some parts which are transparent and some parts which are visible, just like this. And that's how you can create this product manipulation that includes jewelry, such as this diamond necklace. It will do so well if you want to make an advertisement for a jeweler or a jewelry shop in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.